Okay, we are looking at Btcusd chart. On the previous video, we dropped a video previously on the entry on the breakout for this Btcusd now. Let me make a brief explanation of the previous video. From the previous video, we explained that the market was in an uptrend. Yeah, this is a low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Yes, this is equal high here. It wasn't higher, and this is the highest point which the price got to. This is the highest point. Price has failed to break above this level, this resistance level here. Then what happened? It was in uptrend. This was the last high that was formed, which is kind of equal. The resistance level, this was the last high that was formed there. Then what happened? Price just fell gradually from the resistance and got to the support level. Remember, this is the last higher low. This is the last higher low that was formed. Price got to the resistance and dropped back to this support level. This is the support level. This zone here is our support level. As you can see, price picked up. This is the support level. Price got here and it picked up. Look at the bullish candle that was formed to tell you that the support was still functional. The support was still functional. That's why you can see a big bullish candle when price got to the support level again. When price got to the support level again, this is the bullish candle that was formed when price got to the support level. So now, had it been price wanted to continue in an uptrend, what we would have expected here was for price to push from this support level and break this high to form a higher high. But rather, what happened? Price pushed up a little, respecting this support level, and then it turned down and broke below the support level. See how price got to. Price was able to break below this support line. Price was able to break below this support line, indicating weakness and strength of sellers. The sellers were able to drag the price, bring the price down, and break the price below this support line, indicating activeness of the sellers. So now what we did previously on the last video, on the breakout here, we made an entry. On the breakout, we made an entry and placed our stop loss just above this same level here. We placed our stop above here and we targeted this support level down here. This support level down here. That was the target for the take profit. But now, this video now, I want to make another entry on the retest. So I want to just make a brief explanation of how it goes about before the entry was made. So now, this is it. Let me go down to 15 minutes time frame. Let me go down to 15 minutes time frame. But first, remember this is a breakout. And now, I'm trying to make the analysis on the retest and how I made the second entry. So let me go down to 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame now, this is the breakout. This is the breakout level here. Price broke below the support level down here. So we can see now, when we talk about making the entry now on the continuation pattern, because we are still having a sell. So on making this entry again, we're looking at trading a breakout of this correction here. A breakout on this correction here, the retest on the support, changing it to a resistance, and also a touch on this descending resistance we have here. We can see that the price is in a channel. We have descending resistance, we have this descending resistance, and the price is in a channel. We had this touch. We were expecting a sell here for the continuation of the sell. That is what we are looking at now to make the entry. So let's zoom in. We can see here for the correction here, if before the price went to retest the descending resistance. We can see here that we had a high, we had a low, we had equal high, a low, higher high, and this was a last printed higher low. The price failed to form equal or a higher high. Instead, it changed character. We can see this candle here. You can see here this breakout candle. That is what we used to make the entry. That's why we are able to enter for a sell here and put our stop above the last printed market structure. This lower high here, this higher high here. This was the last market structure. Put our stop here and we target times 3. We are having a 1:3 reward here. We are expecting the market to sell further since the price is currently channeled, as we can see, is descending. So we expected a sell at this other touch again on the descending resistance. That's why we use this counter break as our confluence to enter for the sell. So let's see how the market will play out.